Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Leanna here. Today we are picking the winner for the end of summer collab, the 15 channel collab that we all did, where we showed you what we were going to give away. And you had to be subscribed to all 15 channels and leave a comment with the secret words to be entered. So I'm going to share my screen with you while I pick the winner. Okay, so here's the video, the end of summer giveaway collab, the 15 channel collab with 15 different giveaways. I'm going to click here in the TubeBuddy tools and I'm going to go to pick a winner, and we are going to pick a winner through the comments. In order to win, you must have put a comment that said enter me. And now I'm going to click on pick a winner, and the winner is Cat Opens Up. So I need to check to make sure that Cat is subscribed to all 15 channels. I will do that offline and come back and let you know if she has been verified as the winner. Okay, so I have verified that Cat is indeed subscribed to all 15 channels, and her comment says, glad I found your channel through this collab. So many choices. The Glam Glow Cleanser is a great product, but my choices would be the Summer Purse, Fenty Lip Paint, and the 111 Contour Gel. Please enter me in your giveaway. So there we have it. Congratulations to you, Kat. You have 48 hours to contact me to claim your prize. The best way to contact me is via Instagram. That link will be down in the description below. I will also put my Instagram here on the screen. My email address also is in the description. If you do not have an Instagram account, you can reach out to me via email. Thank you so much to everybody that participated in this amazing collab. Thank you once again to Crystal, Real Lady Electrician. We all appreciate your hard work in coming up with this collab, getting us all together, and working out all of the details. The playlist will be down in the description below so that you can go check out all the other channels to see if maybe you won one of theirs or two or three of their giveaways, because one person can win at multiple channels. Thank you so much to everybody that went around and watched all of these amazing channels and subscribed to them. I hope that you will stick around with all of them. And for those of you that are new that subscribe to me, I appreciate you. And I hope that you will hang in there for all the craziness that will ensue. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me to find out who won my giveaway. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. It sure would make my day. And I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, there's no tip for you today, son. You're already a winner and your mama loves you.